صاحب بھی اگر آ جائیں احمد گوارا کرنے تو بہتر ہوگا. میں گزارش کروں گا الحاج حبیب اللہ صاحب بھی حفظ اللہ وہ آ جائیں اور وظیفہ بخلا دیں. محمد فرقان محمد صدیق بیتنار سے
تم نور ہدایت کے پیکر تم وجہ فروغ ایمانی دربار رسالت سے تمغہ ہے آج تمہارے زیب سر دربار.
اب دوسرے بچے کا نام ہے محمد فرقان محمد صدیق بیتنار سدھارتھ نگر. یہ ہمارے ہاں 3 پارے حفظ کیے ہیں اور کہیں سے اور کر کے آئے تھے اور پھر دور مکمل انہوں نے کیا. جن کا بقایا وہ
Father, my mother, my love, and my father is my pride. Mother introduces us to the world, and father introduces the world to us. Mother gives us life, and father gives us living. My mother and my father are my best friend. They are my inspiration. They never let me down, and they are always there for me whenever I need them. They are very loving and caring. Our parents are very valuable for us. Mother teaches us how to talk and she protects us from a fall. Father teaches us how to get up from the fall. Mother secured us in her womb for 9 months. Father took care of all those 9 months. Mother made us play with toys when we cried. Father brought all the toys for us with his money. Mother stays half of the day in the kitchen to prepare delicious food for us. Father works all the day in his scorching sun to give us a happy life. I love my parents with all of my heart, always and forever. And that's all I had to say. Thank you very much for listening to me. Jazakumullah khair fi dunya wal akhirah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.